Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. You need a logged-in Roblox account and Google Pay set up with a valid card. Open the Roblox app or web page and navigate to the item or Robux bundle you want to buy. Tap Buy or Get Robux to start checkout. Once you see payment methods, choose Google Pay. Make sure billing address and device settings allow payment requests. If prompted, authenticate with your fingerprint, PIN, or screen lock so the transaction can proceed securely. Once you select Google Pay in Roblox, you'll see the card and billing details Google has stored. Review them slowly to ensure accuracy. Tap Continue, then authenticate using your chosen method, fingerprint, face unlock, PIN, or Google prompt, which authorizes the charge. Make sure currency and tax line items match what you expect. Discrepancies often come from account region settings. After authentication, review the final confirmation screen and press Pay. This seals the authorization and sends the purchase to Roblox's payment processor. After payment, wait for the confirmation page and a receipt email from Roblox and Google Pay. The Robux or item should appear in your account shortly. If the purchase fails or is declined, first verify available funds, card expiry, and any spending limits on Google Pay, and ensure Roblox region matches your Google account. If problems persist, capture the transaction ID and timestamps. Then contact Google Pay or Roblox billing with those details, so they can trace the payment and resolve the hold or reversal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.